Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about equivalent fractions. Now, what do you mean by equivalent fractions? Let me explain it to you. Fractions that show the same part of the whole are called equilateral fractions. Okay, those fractions which will show the same part. Look, let me show you the figures here. Please look here. Now here in this there are how many boxes? There are 4 boxes. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and what is happening here? We are here we are actually shading the 3 boxes. So the fraction for this strip will be 3/4. Now we will come to next strip. As you can see that the same area is shaded here also, in this strip also, but the length of the strips are same, only the number of boxes are changing. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 boxes. Here earlier it was 3, here now it is 6, and here 1 was left, here 2 is left. So here as you can see the fraction of this strip is 3/4, whereas the fraction of this strip is 6/8. Now we will come to the next strip. As you can see here also there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 boxes are shaded. Length of the strip that is shaded is equal, and length of original strip is also equal, and 3 boxes are left. So here the fraction will be 9/12. So this example 3/4, 6/8, 9/12 is actually shading the same portion. It is actually showing the same whole. Okay, so this is the example of equivalent fraction. This is the example of equivalent fraction. Now let me show you one more thing. 3/4. Let us take 3/4 as fraction. If we are going to multiply 3/4 by 2, numerator and denominator both with 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So we are getting 6/8. Now multiply 3 and 4 with 3. Numerator 3 and denominator 3. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So when you multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, we will get the equivalent fraction. And it is not compulsory that every time you are going to multiply. You can divide also. You can get the answer by division also in equivalent fraction. Okay, let me show you this is the whole. Okay, then we divided this whole in 1/2, 1/2 means half. Then we divided the same whole into 1/4. So there will be 1 2 3 4 boxes. Now we have divided the same whole into 1/6. So 1/6, 1/6, so there will be 6 boxes. Now the same whole is divided into 1/12, so there will be 12 boxes. So here this is the example, like when you divide the same thing into different parts, so what will happen? You will get the equivalent fractions. So here also you will get the equivalent fractions. Okay, so look here we have got equivalent fractions. So here we were getting the answer by multiplying. I've already shown you the answer. When you have to find the equivalent fraction of the number, you just simply multiply any number with numerator and the fraction with the same numerator and denominator. Then you will get the answer. So here 1/3 is multiplied by 5. So your answer is 5/15. Here your fraction is divided here. 1/3 is divided by same number, numerator and denominator, and you will get 1/6 is 6, 3/6 is 18. Okay. Now we are going to come with division part. Now please look here, 16 and 20. You can get equivalent fraction by multiplying also. But here as you can see 16 and 20 does come in same table. 16 and 20 come in the table of 4. It should be in same table always. So say 16 come in the table of 4 at 4 and 20 come in the table of 4 at 5. So this is also the example of equivalent fraction. 4/5 is the example of when you divide the fraction with the same numerator and denominator, you will get equivalent fraction. But the only thing is that it should come in same table. Okay. So the cross, this one we are going to do afterwards. Now please come on this question, 16/32. Let us see whether this both the numbers come in same table. Yes, it comes in the table of 8. So 16 come in the table of 8 at 2. 32 comes in the table of 8 at 4. So here we are getting the equivalent fraction by dividing. So the answer is 2/4. Okay, now here 7/8 is equivalent to. So 7 and 8 does not come in the table of like in the same table. So now what we are going to do, we will get the equivalent fraction by multiplying. Here we have to match. So we are going to multiply firstly by 2. You will not use 1, because if you are going to multiply by 1, you will get the same you will get the same fraction. Okay, so you have to start with 2. So 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. So do we have here the choice 14 and 16? Yes, we are having. So we are going to mark 3 here. Now please come on this question. Question number 2. What fraction is shaded in each circle? Write your answer in the box in the left. Okay, let us see first this fraction. You forgot this blue lines. Okay, forgot about this blue line. Just see this inside circle without this blue line. So what you can see, this circle is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. So the first you have to write the fraction according to that. So we have written 2 by 4. Now you pay attention to this blue lines. Okay, draw the lines at center of circle and markers shown outside of the circle. These markers are shown, and then we are actually joining this line. Write the new fraction represented by each circle in the box on the right. One is done for you. So this circle, this marked lines you have to match karoge. And then what we are going to do, we are going to again read the divisions. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are now total 8 divisions. So we are going to write 8 here. How many portions are shaded? 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 portions shaded. So 4 we are going to write in numerator. Now again here also we have actually drawn the lines, but you have to forget this lines. Only the 4 lines that has been given to you, we are going to remember that. So there are 6 lines given. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 divisions are given, and only one part is shaded. So we are going to write 1 here. Now we are going to join the lines with marked ones. Marked से जो है उनको join करोगे, and then you will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 divisions, and shaded part is 2. So you are going to write 2 here. Okay, now here also again you are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 as denominator divisions, and 2 parts are shaded. So we are going to write 2. Now join the lines with the markers. Okay, and then now you will have 12 divisions, and 12 you are going to write in the denominator, and 1 2 3 4 4 you are going to write in the numerator. Okay, now let us come to question number 3. Find the fraction equivalent to 3 by 5 such the denominator is 10 more than the numerator. 10 more than the numerator you have to find. Numerator I was reading, denominator you have to write. Okay, so here we have got the question 3 by 5. 3 by 5 we are going to write, and 10 in the denominator. Now we have to find the numerator. Denominator should be 10. It is given in the question. Now what we are going to do, 10 come in the table of 5 at 2. So we are going to use 2 here. I have told you when you have to find the equivalent fraction, you have to use same denominator and numerator. So denominator is 2, the numerator also true. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 10 will be the answer. Okay. Now let us do to question number 4 here. I have already shown you that what we have done in this part. Now I have given you this part as homework. Okay. Now let us do question number 5 here. Question number 5 we are going to discuss. Beta here please look here, 3 by 4 strip firstly we have to get. So 1 2 3 and fourth one we have left. So 3 by 4 I have written. Now the next strip here, 3 by 4. Now we have to multiply by 2 here. Okay, you have to actually shade the same portion. So 3 by 4. Now 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So here also let me see how many boxes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is coming in the same table. So now 4 will have 8, then 3 will have 6, because 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. So 6 boxes we have to shade. Now again here we have 12 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 boxes. Now what we are going to do, 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. 12 boxes are there. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Numerator and denominator should be same. So we are going to multiply. We are going to shade 9 boxes, and this one we are going to leave. 2 by 5. So you are going to shade 2 strips. two boxes out of 5, so 2 by 5. Now you multiply 2 by 5 with 2. 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10. There will be 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boxes are there. So here 2 twos are 4. So 4 boxes we are going to shade. Now again 5 threes are 15. Are there 15 boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 boxes are there, and 5 threes are 15. So 2 will also multiply by 3. 2 threes are 6. So 6 boxes we are going to shade like this. Okay. Now reduce the fraction to the lowest term. Okay. Reduce the fraction to the lowest term. That's what we have to do in this question. Let me show it to you. Here now 3 by 24. 3 by 24 is 3 and 24. Does it come in the same table? Yes, it comes in the same table. In which table do we have 3 and 24? It 3 table only. So 3 and 24, you have to find the table that can actually divide this number. Okay, and it should be same. It should be the number should, the both numerator and denominator should come in the same table. So 3 is the number that we can use. So 3 comes in the table of 3 at 1, and 24 come in the table of 3 at 8. So the lowest term is 1 by 8. Now 1 and 8 will only come in the table of 1. Okay, so now we are not going to do anything. 15 and 36 again. 15 and 36 come in the table of 3. Okay, so 15 and 36 come in the table of 3 again. 15 and 36 3 table में आते हैं. 15 come in the table of 3 at 5. 36 come in the table of 3 at 12. So 5 and 12 does not come in the same table. So this is your lowest term. Now 10 and 45 will come in the table of which table? You will have 10 and 45 in 5 table. So 5 table we have written. Now what we are going to do? 10 come in the table of 5 at 2. 45 come in the table of 5 at 9. So you will answer will be 2 by 9. Okay, and D and E part I am going to give you homework. 2 and 8 come in which table? 6 and 6 will come in which table? So you just have to find out the lowest term. Okay, now next question is write any two equivalent fraction of each of the fractions. Simple question. You just have to find out the two equivalent fraction. Okay. So any two you have to find. So 2 by 3 question is there. I have told you when you have to find the equivalent fraction. So what you can do? You can multiply. So 2 by 3 you are going to multiply by 2 by 3 you are going to multiply by 2. Firstly you can use any number except 1. So 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. Next number that I am going to use is numerator and denominator should always be same. Please remember this thing to find out the equivalent fraction. Now 2 by 3 I have written again this 2 by 3. Now I am going to use 3. So 3 for the numerator, 3 for the denominator. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. I can use here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever number you want. Except 1 you can use any number. Okay, now we have fraction 3 by 4. 3 by 4 I am going to multiply by 4 by 4. I can take 2 by 2 also. I can take 3 by 3 also. Only numerator and denominator should be same. So 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Here 3 I am taking 5 5, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Same numerator and denominator I am using for numerator, and then you will always have same value. 4 by 5 next number is 4 by 5 I am going to try with 6. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 4 multiplied by 7, here I am using 7 so that I can show that you can use any number here. So you people don't get confused. 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35. Okay. Now D and E part I have given you homework. You can multiply with any number. You will get the equivalent fraction. The only thing is numerator and denominator should be same. Please remember. Now please come on question number 7 here. But at this part is given wrong. So we are not going to do this one. Shade the figure according to the given fraction. So given fraction के हिसाब से you have to shade. Now please cut this number because this figure is given wrong here. Now let us do this one, B part 12 and 20. Now 12, if you can see here, we are not having any 20 divisions. We are having only 5 divisions. So it means that 5 division you have to change it into lowest term. Okay. So let us take 20 and here denominator we are going to take 5. 20 and 5. Now 20 comes in the table of 5 at 4. 4 पे आता है, so I have already told you denominator and numerator should same. So 12 also we will divide by 4. So 12 come in the table of 4 at 3. So you have to shade the 3 parts. I have got 3 by 5 now here. So 3 parts you are going to shade. Now the next number is 1 by 4. But the division here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now as you can see that 8 divisions are there, but here we are having 4. So it means that it is going to equivalent fraction, means next number. So 8 comes in the table of 4 at 2. Then you have to write the same numerator. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. You will have 2 by 8. So now you are going to shade the 2 divisions. Okay. Now in D part please come. 2 by 5 we have, but here we don't have 5 division, we have 15 divisions if we are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 divisions are there. So 5 we have to actually multiply by something so that we can get 15. So 5 we are going to multiply by 3 so that we can get 15. Denominator and numerator same, so you are going to write 3 here. 2 3s are 6. So you are going to shade 6 divisions. Okay. Now here I have given you 4 and 6 homework, E part homework. As you can see here also 6 divisions are not there. So you have to multiply that number so that you can get the equal number of divisions, and then you have to multiply numerator also with the same number, and that portion you have to shade. That's what you have to do here. Okay, I hope that this much is clear to everyone. Now let us do question number 8 here. Fill in the boxes to make the fractions. So you have to fill this boxes so that you can make the fraction, equivalent fraction you have to make. 4 by 6 is given and here we have 20. So now as you can see that it is going to bigger number. When you are going to bigger number, then you have to multiply. When you are going to smaller number, you have to divide. So 4 should be multiplied by what so that you can get 20. Now you have written the fraction. As you know that 20 come in the table of 4 at 5, so you are going to multiply by 5. Same numerator number that you have used in numerator, you have to use in denominator also. So we have to write 5 here also. Now 6 5s is 30. So your answer here is 30. So the fraction will be 20 upon 30. Okay, now the second question here is 2. This is not given. 8 is equals to 6 by 24. Okay, now here 8 should be multiplied by what so that you can get 24. 8 should be multiplied by 3 so that you can get 24. Okay, now here we don't have any number. Now 6 come in the table of 3 at 2. So you are going to write 6 is equals to 3 upon 2. Like this you have to write. Okay, and 2 will be the answer. Now this one I have given you homework. You can do it by division also. You can do this by division also. Let me show it to you how to do it. I have done it like multiplication. You can do like this also. 6, 24 is written. Okay, and here only dash bracket is given and 8 is given. So 6 should be divided by what so that you can get 24 should be divided by what so that you can get 8. Here we are going to use 3. So here also we are going to use 3. Now 60 table mein 3 will come at 3 ke table 6 will come at 2. So your answer will be 2. Okay, like this also you can do and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the correct thing. Now question number 9 we have to do. Find out whether the following fractions are equivalent using their cross products बनाने आपको. Equivalent fraction, if you want to check the equivalent fraction, so there is a method to check whether this two pairs are equivalent or not. Beta, multiply these numbers with the opposite number. 4 will multiply by 9, 36 will multiply by 1. Okay, so I have written like this. You have to cross multiply. 36 will multiply 1, 4 will multiply by 9. So 136 is 36. 4 9s are 36. As you can see, the number that we are getting after multiplying the numbers are same. When you will get the same product, for both the numbers, it will be equivalent. Since the cross products are equal, 1 by 4, 9 by 36 are equivalent fractions. Now 5 by 9, 60 by 108. Again 5 will multiply by 108 and 9 will multiply by 60. 5 will 108, 5, 9, 60. Okay. So 5 108 is 540. 9 multiplied by 60 is also 540. So it means that the cross products answers are same, equal. Cross products are equal. So 5 by 9 and 60 by 108 are equivalent fractions. Now I have given you C part homework. 2 by 5, 60 by 100. 100 will multiply by 5 and 100 will multiply by 2, 5 will multiply by 60. You will get the answer. Okay, then if it is equal, if the answer is equal, you will say yes, it is equivalent fraction. If the answer is not equivalent, you will say no, it is not equivalent fraction. So this is it, beta. Your exercise is over. I hope you have understood it. Bye bye. Have a good day.